information for the website and everywhere.
Hey, but maybe what we need to do is, because I do a lot of YouTube videos,
Yeah.
and I have my own website, I put your connection.
Oh yeah, please,
Yeah.
because I need that incredible videos,
Yeah,
my
because
friend.
we have lots of people coming
Yeah.
here from Canada.
Yeah, please, my friend. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
What's
no
the
problem.
name of your business?
Wonderful experience by Alex Vallarta.
Oh, wonderful
okay.
experience. Don't even think about it.
I know.
Ladies first.
Ah.
Agárrala, ya, Gibran, deja la cerveza, Gibran. Gibran, deja la cerveza.
Terrified.
Yeah, be careful, my friend.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Be careful, man.
There we go.
Gracias, hermano. Ya, Padre Santo. Gracias. We can take on the everywhere is for you.
Okay.
Him is Alonso. He's the captain.
Alonso.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Andreas. Kimberly.
Kimberly, nice to meet you.
For the guy to the sail watchings. Maybe
Oh, that's
for the-
good.
Yeah, maybe it's take on the little fish, I don't know. Yeah. maybe.
Okay, no, that's perfect, yeah. So I will. The what? That's a devil. Here we are, going to the bathroom. Hombres, where's Hombres? Hombres is over there. Hey.
Yeah, this is the special for fish.
Yeah.
Only take on the one moment.
All right, so after our little beach excursion, have our luncheons.
My friends, please. Okay. Be careful like that. Okay?
Yep.
Okay, my friend?
Okay.
You and I.
Yep. Got it.
Ollie, please. Right here. This is for the seaboard. Okay, please, my friend. Yeah, good. Thank you.
Fast dude on a boat. It was a perfect day.
That was nice, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks for the new captain. Yeah. Hey, Alonso, que si no tienes trabajo. Anyone? Come on, my friend.
Yeah, you don't want to lose the tips.
Anyway, bienvenidos al Muelle de los Muertos. Welcome to Los Muertos. Los Muertos. Yes, it is Muelle de los Muertos.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. I know.